Shazia, with the United States imposing 25% extra tariffs on countries trading with Iran, do you think these tariffs can affect Pakistan as well?
Pakistan has not much trade with Iran because Iran is already heavily sanctioned for 4 decades, like for 40 years. But US has like time and again these tariff tantrums, and I haven't seen them affecting any country. Principally, China has already raised some tariffs on some products, especially sold to the Western countries and America and Europe. So it's going to be like an economic war over Iran now, and let's see who is going to win. But these 25% tariff on what they are not even the products and the goods are not even mentioned. So these could be like for momentarily some kind of rant or some tantrum, or they could be real thing. But in both cases, I don't think Pakistan is going to be affected because in case of trade with Iran, Pakistan has a none to very minimalistic trade with Iran because Iran is already heavily sanctioned, and we are not buying and selling anything primarily which is substantial in amount with Iran.
And what